Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread mithai. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 8 slices of white bread, with the crust removed to ensure a soft texture. For the sweet syrup, prepare 1 cup of full-fat milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Also, have 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter ready for frying. Finally, gather cardamom powder, chopped nuts, and a few strands of saffron for a delightful garnish and aromatic flavor. Now, let's prepare the bread and the sweet syrup. Begin by cutting each bread slice into 4 equal triangles or squares. This makes them easier to manage. Heat about 1/4 cup of ghee in a pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Carefully fry the bread pieces until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy on both sides. In a separate saucepan, combine 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. With your fried bread and warm syrup ready, it's time to assemble your delicious mithai. Carefully dip each golden brown bread piece into the warm milk syrup. Make sure each piece is fully coated, but be careful not to oversaturate it, as this can make the bread too soggy. Gently arrange the dipped bread pieces on a serving platter, ideally in a single layer. Allow the mithai to cool slightly. This brief resting period helps the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your homemade bread mithai. Sprinkle a generous pinch of aromatic cardamom powder evenly over the assembled pieces. Next, garnish with your favorite chopped nuts. Pistachios or almonds work wonderfully, adding a delightful crunch. For an elegant touch and a subtle fragrance, add a few delicate strands of saffron. Your delicious bread mithai is now ready to be served, either warm or at room temperature, for a truly delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.